Welcome to APAC Braid Academy. In today's lesson, we're introducing Boho Braids. Boho Braids combine structured braiding with curly or straight hair that's left out of the braid intentionally to create a soft look. Let's begin. Now start by preparing clean sections and braiding as you normally would. Remember, you can add gel as long as your client prefers. Alright, so just go ahead and begin braiding as you normally would. Just like that. Now first, you want to go ahead and braid down a couple cycles. Remember, the key is balance. For today's lesson, I'm going to show you with a different color piece of hair, and just imagine this as your boho curly or your boho straight. Okay, so what you want to do, you want to go ahead and add it like you normally would another piece of hair, and this part here, leave it out. And what you'll do with this one, you will actually go ahead and clamp that here if you like, and then continue braiding just like that. Too many loose pieces can look messy, while too few won't achieve the boho effect. Next, you want to add your next strand of hair just like I taught you. You want to wrap it around here, begin braiding. This piece is left out intentionally. Now these braids are almost similar to tree braids, but tree braids are different. Tree braids actually use the hair that's used for braiding, and you'll just take little pieces and leave those out from the actual braiding hair. With boho braids, you actually add in additional pieces to give you that boho effect. Okay, so you can continue braiding. Now add your next piece. Leave that portion out. Very good. You just keep braiding. Braid as you normally would. Remember, you want to focus on placement, consistency, and blending. Professional boho braids actually should appear intentional, not accidental. Very good. I love your boho braids. Now, once you take down your braid, your additional pieces that were left out, this is how your boho braid should look. Just like this. If you use curly hair, the curly hair will then blend in once all the braids fall. So as you see here, it was intentional. The placement, you don't want to put it too close because then it would look too full. You want to do proper spacing. Use your own judgment on how it should look. Of course, the longer the braid, the more placement of the boho that you will have. The shorter the braid, the less. So yours should look just like this. Well, that wraps up today's lesson for boho braids. Continue at home and practice placing your strands throughout the braid. I'll see you at the next lesson in APAC Braid Academy.